Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the stainless steel pot for dents, loose rivets, or protective films. This prevents surprises while cooking. Once done, wash it immediately with hot water and a mild dish soap using a soft sponge to remove oils and factory residues because those affect heat transfer and flavor. Make sure to remove any stickers or adhesive. Rub gently with warm soapy water or a little cooking oil and rewash. These immediate steps ensure a clean surface, and you next perform a first boil to degrease and sanitize the metal. This step improves longevity and removes hidden residues. Fill the pot about half full, bring to a rolling boil, and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking soda or 1/2 cup of vinegar. Either loosens manufacturing oils and mineral spots. Once boiling for 10 to 15 minutes, turn off the heat and allow it to cool slightly so you can safely discard the water. Make sure to wash and dry the pot again to remove loosened residues and minerals. You finish by priming and testing the pot under cooking conditions so you know how it behaves. Pour a thin layer of oil and heat until it shimmers to check for even heat distribution and to reduce initial sticking when searing. This also highlights hot spots. Once done, cool the pot gradually rather than plunging into cold water to avoid warping. If you see persistent spots or stains, make a paste of baking soda and water or soak in vinegar briefly, scrub, then rewash and dry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.